Do you ever look in the mirror and notice the little souvenirs that past summers have left behind? I'm talking about those sunspots, the fine lines that pop up. Or maybe your skin just doesn't feel as firm as it used to. It's frustrating, and it's easy to think that the only options are expensive, aggressive treatments. But what if there was another way? What if you could support your skin's natural healing process using gentle, powerful remedies, some of which you might have in your kitchen right now? In this video, I'm going to show you how to nourish and care for your skin from the inside out. We'll explore ways to help your skin manage the effects of the sun, restore its healthy look, and help you feel more comfortable in your own skin. So stick around, because your journey to a healthier looking skin starts now. Before we get into the remedies, it's really important to understand what's actually going on when your skin gets too much sun. When your skin is exposed to the sun's ultraviolet, UV rays, it kicks off a whole cascade of reactions. Your skin produces a pigment called melanin to try and protect itself. But after years of exposure, the cells that make melanin can get damaged and start overproducing it in clumps. That's what gives us those dark spots we call sunspots or age spots. But that's not all. UV radiation is the main driver of something called photoaging. The sun's UVA rays go deep, reaching the second layer of your skin, the dermis. That's where your skin's support structure lives, a network of two key proteins: collagen, which keeps it firm, and elastin, which gives it that bounce back. UV rays create damaging molecules called free radicals that attack and break down that collagen and elastin network. Over time, this leads to wrinkles, sagging, and a rougher texture. And interestingly, very recent research from 2024 has revealed that the acute inflammation and redness from a sunburn is likely triggered first by damage to our skin cells' RNA, which happens even more rapidly than the DNA damage scientists have focused on for years. So when we talk about supporting sun-damaged skin, we're really talking about calming inflammation, neutralizing free radicals, and giving our body the building blocks it needs to maintain that vital collagen network. Truly supporting your skin isn't just about what you slather on top of it. It starts from within. Your skin is often a mirror of your internal health. So giving your body the right nutrients is the first, most foundational step you can take. So let's start with your diet. A great way to help your body defend itself is by loading up on antioxidants. These are compounds that neutralize those damaging free radicals we just talked about, helping to protect your collagen and skin cells from more stress. While eating these foods won't reverse deep wrinkles, it can absolutely support your skin's overall health and resilience. What should be on your plate? Think in color. Brightly colored fruits and veggies are loaded with these protective compounds. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are antioxidant powerhouses. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which research suggests help protect the skin from UV radiation. Tomatoes are fantastic, mostly because they're full of lycopene, an antioxidant that can help reduce skin redness after sun exposure. Sweet potatoes are one of the best sources of beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, and which helps support skin health. And don't skip the healthy fats. Fatty fish like salmon is rich in omega-3s and an antioxidant called astaxanthin, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation. Almonds are another great choice. Their skins are packed with antioxidants. Even a little dark chocolate can contribute, as its flavonols have antioxidant properties that can improve blood flow to the skin, which is crucial for the healing process. Now for two specific vitamins that are all stars for your skin: vitamin C and vitamin E. They are a true power couple. Your body absolutely needs vitamin C to produce collagen. Without it, you can't build that strong, supportive skin structure. It's also a potent antioxidant that helps fight free radicals. You'll find it in citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. Vitamin E is another key antioxidant that specializes in protecting your cell membranes from damage, and it has known anti-inflammatory effects. But here's the cool part: vitamin C and vitamin E work together. They are far more effective as a team. Vitamin C actually helps regenerate vitamin E after it's been used up, neutralizing a free radical, essentially putting it back in the game to protect your skin. Great sources of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. While food is always the best source, a good quality supplement could be helpful if you know your diet is falling short. Okay, now that we've covered the inside, let's talk about the outside. Applying certain natural ingredients directly to the skin can provide targeted relief, calm inflammation, and help support the skin's barrier. Here are some of the most effective, science-backed topical helpers you can try at home. First up is the famous aloe vera. This plant has been a go-to for soothing skin for centuries, and for good reason. Aloe vera has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. For sun damage, it contains compounds like aloin and aloesin, which some studies suggest may help reduce hyperpigmentation by inhibiting the enzyme responsible for producing melanin. To use it, it's best to get the gel straight from the plant. Just slice open a leaf and scoop out the clear gel. Apply a nice layer to the affected areas, let it sit for 20-30 minutes, and then rinse. If you don't have a plant, a store-bought 100% pure aloe vera gel will work too. Next, let's talk about green tea. It's a healthy drink, but it's also a great topical treatment. Green tea is full of powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, especially one known as EGCG. When you apply it to your skin, these polyphenols can help fight free radical damage from UV exposure and reduce inflammation. For a simple green tea compress, just brew a strong cup of green tea with 2 tea bags and let it cool down completely in the fridge. Once it's chilled, soak a cotton pad in the tea and just rest it on the areas of concern for 15 minutes. The coolness provides instant relief, and the antioxidants go to work soothing the skin. Another fantastic kitchen remedy is oatmeal. Plain oatmeal contains anti-inflammatory compounds and is amazing for helping to restore your skin's natural barrier, especially if your skin feels dry and irritated from the sun. For a gentle and soothing mask, you can grind up some plain oatmeal into a powder and mix it with a bit of raw honey and water to make a paste. Raw honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps draw moisture into the skin. Apply the paste, let it sit for about 15 minutes and then gently rinse. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and calm. It's important to be realistic though. While these remedies are wonderful for soothing irritation and supporting skin health, they are unlikely to erase significant sun damage. For more prominent sunspots or deep-set wrinkles, medical treatments like retinoids, chemical peels or laser therapy are generally required for substantial improvement. I know this is a lot of information, but knowledge is only useful when you put it into practice. That's why I want to invite you to join me in a 21-day skin support challenge. The goal is simple: to consistently use these natural approaches for 3 weeks to build healthy habits and see how much better your skin can feel. Here's the plan. For the next 21 days, I challenge you to do 2 things. First, make a conscious effort to bring more of those antioxidant-rich foods into your diet. Maybe it's berries in your breakfast, a leafy green salad for lunch, or a handful of almonds for a snack. Second, pick one of the topical remedies, the aloe, the green tea, or the oatmeal mask, and use it at least 3 or 4 times a week. Consistency is key here. It takes time for your skin to respond to these supportive habits. By committing to this challenge, you're creating a routine that gives your skin a better chance to thrive. And we can do it as a community. Use the comments section below to say "I'm in" and share which foods or remedies you're going to try. Over the next 21 days, come back and share how it's going, ask questions, and cheer each other on. So there you have it, your natural toolkit for supporting your skin against the effects of sun damage. We've talked about how to nourish your skin from the inside out with antioxidant-rich foods and key vitamins like C and E. We've also gone over gentle, easy-to-make topical remedies using aloe vera, green tea and oatmeal to calm inflammation and support your skin. Remember, improving the health and appearance of sun-damaged skin is a marathon, not a sprint, but with patience, consistency and the power of nature, you can make a real difference in your skin's resilience and appearance. You have the power to support your skin, help restore its natural glow, and feel beautiful in it again. Don't forget to join our 21-day skin support challenge by dropping "I'm in" the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos on natural health and wellness. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you on your journey to healthier skin.